Here we are taking off from Glenwood Landing.
Happy 6th of July.
Happy 6th of July. We're on Dave's boat. There's Pat. There's Captain Dave. Say hello, Captain Dave. All right.
We are cruising at an altitude of...
That's Bar Beach across the road. Paul Washington is up through here.
Bar Beach.
On that side is the town of Hempstead. On this side is the town of Oyster Bay.
We have a hit.
Back up a little.
Yeah. Definitely caught on something.
Yeah? Oh.
Hey, dude.
What's happening?
Yeah, we ain't catching nothing yet.
Very busy not catching anything.
Yeah.
Eating well, though.
Yes.
Eating very well.
That's right.
No fish, but food's great.
Sandwiches.
Company's
sandwiches.
great.
We'll come away with something. Even if it's just sunburn.
Let's get out my sunlight. Okay. There's the man. Such a beautiful view, darling. And yet,
Caught a cold, he caught the flu.
It's like there's nothing at all on here.
Bill, you gotta hook it to the bottom of the boat so it'll bend the pole a little bit, you know?
Oh, no problem. Here. Oh, 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 oh!
Hey, that's my pole. Wait, that's my fish.
Oh, oh, I got him. I got one.
Wanna go to bed? It's in here.
Okay.
All right, Bill, whatever you say, you're right.
It's a nice little place you can move in. You can move in there too.
He's videotaping the head.
He's taking that.
Yeah.
Hey, Bill,
You want to take this?
you better start eating, man. You're losing it.
Yeah, I know.
We got him, baby.
We got a fish.
Okay. Okay. Whoop. Woo, baby.
Got the other hook on there.
All
There
right.
we go.
Cocktail. You got enough, Bill? You get enough, Bill?
Cocktail, baby.
I love it.
All right, Bill.
There you go, Bill. You getting it?
It's a little one.
A little
There's not much fight here. There's nothing at
It will
all.
be. You got a lot of line out.
It's
You
coming.
get them near the surface and it starts breaking water.
I'm going to name this fish Fernando.
coming. Still
Where you
fighting,
going?
right? Yep. He's coming.
Yeah, he's still there. It's hardly fight. Looks like he's half dead. Don't come here, kid.
We got a nice view of the water here, Bill. Pick up the pole.
Okay, we're getting close. Come on. We're getting close. Okay.
There
hang
you
on.
go.
All right, let me just take off slack.
Oh, you got a nice,
Nice
one.
one.
The other one.
Hang on.
Nice one, Bill.
Watch it.
Oop.
Get back. Get back. Oh, look at you. You got a nice
All right,
one,
let me
Bill.
that one.
Woo!
Another fish.
Watch the hook on there.
Woo! He should have fought while I was in the water.
Let me get my hammer. That thing you boy you got there.
Yeah. Nice going.
Yeah. That's a beast.
Say didn't fight much.
Woo!
Really just
He ain't
stroking it,
going
so
away.
look at this. Look at the difference.
All right. Keep that hammer handy.
Hefty, Bill. Hefty.
All right.
Way to go.
Let me wash my hands.
What a workout.